Just got a brand new Windows 11 PC or laptop? Congrats! But wait, your awesome machine deserves some amazing apps to unlock its full potential. Stick around as I reveal the best free apps you need to install in 2025 to boost productivity, entertainment, and performance. Windows 11 has revolutionized the way we use our PCs, but to truly make it yours, you need the right tools. From enhancing productivity to optimizing performance, and even having fun, these apps are 100% free and a must-have for every PC setup. Let's dive right in. 1. VLC Media Player. Need a media player that handles every file format under the sun? VLC Media Player has got you covered. It's lightweight, fast, and supports everything from MP4 to MKV. A must-have for movie lovers. Just download it from Store app and then enjoy. 2. Soma FM. If you need to listen to different radio stations, play music through your computer, just open Store and download this software and enjoy it for free. 3. Adobe Photoshop Express. Need to edit some photos like Pro from your computer? Just search and download Adobe Photoshop Express from Store and sign in with your Google account or create a new account and enjoy edits with this free software. 4. Xodo PDF Reader and Editor. Need a free PDF reader? Xodo is a trusted PDF reader, editor, and converter for Windows. It can save valuable time with essential PDF tools and features. Please check it out. 5. Spotify. And who doesn't love good music? Spotify is a must-have app for streaming millions of songs, creating playlists, and enjoying podcasts all for free. It's the ultimate entertainment companion. 6. IObit Malware Fighter. If you want to protect your PC against the spyware and virus from your computer, just download this software and use it for free. IObit Malware Fighter is a powerful and comprehensive anti-malware and antivirus program that can protect your PC, so just try it out. Keep your PC safe. This free app helps you detect and remove malware, ransomware, and other threats that could harm your shiny new PC. Safety first, right? 7. CCleaner. Keep your PC running smoothly with CCleaner. It helps clean up junk files, manage startup programs, and improve performance. It's like a personal housekeeper for your computer. It has some free features that you can use and boost your PC speed, so just download and try it on your PC. 8. Canva. Whether you're into graphic design or just want to create stunning visuals, Canva is the way to go. It's web-based but works seamlessly on Windows. Perfect for professionals and content creators. So, there you have it, my top 8 free apps for your new Windows 11 PC in 2025. These tools will help you get the most out of your machine, whether you're working, gaming, or just browsing. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Which app are you downloading first? And hey, if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends who just got Windows 11 too.